Are you an online business owner, a freelancer, affiliate marketer, or whatever business you are doing online and you're struggling with making sales? Then this video is for you. You must have spent a lot of money on ads, all sort of things, and at the end of the day, you see yourself losing more money than actually gaining. Or in some situation, after a while, your sales begin to drop, and then before you know, the business is crumbling. Or in some situation, you want to skyrocket your business, but you don't really know exactly what to do. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what is going wrong with that your business, and you will know exactly what to do and how you can fine tune it to get better results. Let's go further. Now, when you're doing business, whether online or offline, you need to understand that what we have on the internet space, the online business is a replica of what is going on in real life. That is the truth. Because I've experienced it, I've tried the online strategy, and I've done the offline, and I've seen the good connection. And what is this connection? You need to understand that there are different type of customers. That is the first thing. So stop giving yourself heart attack. Stop being frustrated. When you understand this thing, it's going to help you fine tune your business to target the type of customers that you want. So that is what I want you to look at, rather than thinking of how you spend more money on ads and without getting anything in return, or going to doing content creation and doing all sort of things. First, we have what we call high valued customers. Yes, I've experienced this severally. These high value customers, they are type of customers that know exactly what they want. Most of the time, people will tell you need to do lead generation, lead nurturing, and the rest of them. Those things, they are stressful. Let me tell you, they can frustrate you to a point that if you are not careful, you will give up. So this will help you to get what you want. Who are these high valued customers? These are customers that most of the time they already have the cash. They are just waiting for you. They are just waiting to see your product. Once you can make them see it, tell them what you have, they will pay. I've done that severally. I have seen situation where a customer contacted me for something. Before I even finish saying this is it, Jack Robinson, he has made payment. So these are high value customers, and this should be the type of customers you should be targeting. Once you start doing anything and you are growing in that thing, you should be looking toward this. But most of the time, people do mistake with this very one. These lower ones. We have middle class customer. Yes, these ones, they are very okay. Sometimes you need to persuade them to buy. Yes, you need to tell them these are the values that you have for the product. Most of the time, these customers at this level, they might not know much about the product. Some of them, even if they know self, they will want to try to see, okay, why should they buy from you, and the rest of them. So they will actually pay you the exact amount, then you will be okay with it. This one will even offer to pay you extra. I've met this type of customers before and I've seen them. They'll be willing to stay where they are. You deliver the product, they pay you extra whatsoever is involved. You don't have problem with that. You now have the bargaining customer. These ones, now these ones, they go come spend 1 hour for your shop. They go price this one, they go leave, and they go price that one, they go leave, and they go price this one, they go leave, and they don't have direction. These ones. These are the type of customers that you begin to mark. Do all the explanation that it is on this wall to them. They will still price that product at a lower price. So they will try to bargain it to the lowest level. They can bargain, like, even if they are at the point of death, they will still bargain. These ones. So knowing this type of people, you, from the interaction you have with them from the beginning, you should have an idea on who the person is. So once somebody chatted me for a product, and I just give you few seconds, ask you for some few questions, and then from there I have an idea of you if you belong to this class. Once you belong to this class, I just don't worry to reply you, because I don't need to stress myself. Let me focus on these ones. These ones will give me, if I can get 3 of these to buy for me, I can recover everything that even 10 of these ones will buy. So that is how you take smart decision. Then we have these ones. These ones, they are very fraudulent. We have the fraudulent customers. So because of this type of customers and this type of customers, I try to grade my product based on what they want. So I cannot carry a premium product that I've already put a price on, then you come and bargain it at a lower price. I will not give you. So I know how to deal with them. I have their own class too. I'll give them that one, they will go and struggle with it. Then these ones are so fishy that you have to be very careful with them. Before you give them anything, even if they tell you they have made payments, you try to verify, because they are so fraudulent that before you realize it, they will collect the product and they will feel they are smart. So these ones will also, yes, they are found in every aspect of business. Once you are doing things both online and offline, you always see them. Give me this product and let me check. Before you know, you don't come out, you know, see them again. So this one you have to be very, very careful. So now that you have a clear picture of this type of people, now what exactly do you do to really get the type of result that you want? Whether you want to do run ads or whatsoever. This is what you need to be aware of. What I have here is what we call the A/B content strategy testing. Rather than just take your time, do videos, do your graphics or whatsoever, try to have up to 4 or 5 of that particular content to run what we call A/B test. Put them out there, get people's opinion about it. Then from there, you can down pick the best that is giving you the better reaction that you want. And in doing this, you take note of the following: the frustration of or problem of the customers. What are their frustrations? Yes, there are some people that they will never buy a product until they become frustrated. When you tell them about it, no, they will not buy until the day they go and do trial and error, do all sorts of things. When they become frustrated, then they will come back to you. Most of the time, these ones, they don't always buy on time. So these are the type of people that sometimes you need lead nurturing. You need to convince them. You need to give them a clear picture of this is exactly the value that you have, and this is what they should watch out for. And this is why you need to be putting out content talking about problems that are associated with people, since they are your target audience. Then we have desires. These ones, they have desire. Oh, those type of people that wish they want to do this, they want to school abroad. So you see, if somebody wants to school abroad and you brought a schooling program for him for somebody abroad, he has a high chance of going for it. So this one is based on desire. You want to leave the country for another better career pasture. You want to do all sort of things. So this is another strategy that you always watch out for. So we talk about the desires, people's desires, what they want to achieve. Then there are some that they know all this, they have the problem, they have the desires, but they don't have the time to invest into it. So these ones, you can decide to give them the service in exchange for their money. It's just like people who do delivery of food. Yes, an average person has problem, which is problem to eating food. Some have desires, even though they have a problem to eating food, they have desires on the type of food they want to eat. And then their desire is they don't want to come out of their offices, they don't want to move out of their houses. They just want something that is very classy but within the comfort of their home. Now that they have this problem, they have this desire, they have one big problem, which is time. Yes, they are always very busy. They don't want to come out to go even to the closest place to buy food. So they'll be willing to pay extra for the delivery. So this is where you get to charge them extra for the time they are going to be providing. Just like some that do home delivery and the rest of them. So that is it. Then some people will never do certain things until it becomes urgent for them. Just like the one that until the day their teeth nearly come out before they will start rushing looking for where to go for medical checkup. So in every content you are putting out or in every advert you are trying to put out, you need to be aware of the following: this key element: the problem. What problem is it trying to solve? What is the desire of the intending customer? And how long is he expected to get it, or what time is he expected to get it? And then you inject that sense of urgency into it. This sense of urgency can involve telling them how long the product will be available, or if a particular amount is already sold. And then you also have another last point where we talk about testimonials. These testimonials is talking about the bandwagon effect. Now, when crypto came on board, a lot of people were scared of putting money into crypto. But all of a sudden, when somebody went and painted a mental picture of how he became successful with crypto, everybody started rushing to go and put. The moment they see one or two people becoming successful doing certain things, everybody will want to go there. Few years ago, it's very hard to see somebody telling you that he's making money online. The next thing you say is Yahoo. All of a sudden, when people started showing proof that they are making legitimate money online, now all of a sudden everybody want to make money online. So this is what we call the bandwagon effect. The same thing when school came on board a few years ago, a lot of people don't even want to send their children to school, especially the tertiary level. It's those ones that were rejected that were sent to school. But all of a sudden, when they saw that those ones started becoming successful, the bandwagon effect, everybody wanted to go to school. So that is how the bandwagon effect is. So the moment people naturally want to associate themselves with something that is trending or going around. What if you can show them that this thing people are going for it, they will just want to key in. This is what we talk about customer testimonial, what other customers are talking about it. Then you talk about reviews. Some people will not even buy a product if they don't see any review, no matter how good it is. Sometimes it's not all about talking about how the product. If you can just, a lot of people go into affiliate marketing. They don't know that affiliate marketing is not a common one business until they later realize that. But because they see one or two persons telling them how they make money, everybody want to go and try. The same thing with all this football betting and the rest of them. You want those amount, so bandwagon effect. Everybody want to go and get your own share. But out of one person that get 1 million naira, maybe 1,000 have lost their money. But still, some people will still be rushing to go there. So that is how the bandwagon effect is. So I believe you've learned something very interesting in this particular video. So I'm going to be dropping more hints, more guide. So always take note of this. Always have this at the back of your mind whenever you are putting up your content for advert. You should take cognizance of all these elements. These are the key ones. So see you guys in my next video. Thanks once again.